On top inside Edo today, Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say im get plenty ogbonge plans to take make Edo State the economic hub for Nigeria. Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok am say the main thing for im administration na to make Edo State the ogbonge place where investors go like to go for Nigeria. And na dis one I make where im wan open space for investors to take invest for Edo State and for them to take put hand on top tourism and industry matter for Edo State. Governor talk this one when im throway body put for the 18-hole golf tournament wey Jams Golf Group Benin City Tour organized for University of Benin Teaching Hospital UBTH Golf Course for Benin City. Obaseki talk say wetin him get for mind na to make Edo State fine place wey go dey magnet people, make them come dey do investment. Him talk say for somewhere to grow, person need better resources, money and manpower. And at that one, now waiting in the do so. Governor Obaseki talk say Edo State dey ogbonge location wey good for investment, and the administration go continue to the work so that people go get motivation to take start their business for Edo State. In talk say now when people come see something by themselves, now them go fit think of to come invest for Edo. Obaseki talk say he want encourage people, make them come invest for sports, make them build museums, and make them fit enjoy our rich culture and heritage. Coordinator for Jams Golf Group, Aswe Igodalo, talk say the group na part of Ikoyi Golf Club and them get members from different parts of the country. He talk say them come Edo State, come jollificate with Governor Godwin Obaseki and make them for fit contribute to join Edo State sector. Now so we see am reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk am say im ready to make Edo State the economic hub for Nigeria. Make una no forget say na T-Live Media na im dey bring this ogbonge updates they come give una. My name na Mary Edoleye.